This is gonna be a very short video, but I must start this off by saying big up to the 100-man police station, because I have to give these police them respect. And one thing I always say, when you look in the Caribbean, and when it comes to fighting notorious gang members and stuff, you see the Jamaican police, they have the most experience and the most support in terms of technology and other things. Now, the man that was implicated in the killing and burying of the two siblings, the young man and the young lady, now police slapped him and another man in Portmore. Now, the story going around about this brother where killed the two siblings that he is a notorious gang leader by the name of Bang Bang. Me don't know how them little dirty boy become gang leader. You understand? Them little dirty corner boy, you think a pussy like that coulda lead me say he's the leader of the gang? Number one, when them say them kill a enemy, when them do a trick them friend you, them not face you and have no shootout, You understand? When them do, them trick you. Now, you think a pussy named Bang Bang coulda lead me in a do when do to them people, this little boy and him little sis and him big sister? And you have guys who is manipulated by this. Yo, if you are a gang leader, me have to see you shoot out with police or shoot out with other man. I know say yo, you get you out of that. Yeah, me rate you. But beyond that, you're a pussy, me no rate you, and me can't understand that, and me have to get that off of my chest. With that, let's continue, yo. And yo, me give the police them great respect, because like I said, they move fast on this one. But there's also something I want you guys to notice in this case. I'm gonna bring it up right now. The public has been working with the Jamaican police more and more, because without the public help, the Jamaican police wouldn't be able to solve this. And I recommend, I give enough respect to the public, you understand, in Portmore and over Jamaica, who provide the information so the police can get to these guys. Now, out of all of this, there is one thing more that I wish the police them do. Sometimes, we want to see these guys, we want them on trial, we want them to go through the system so people can see. You understand? Now, when them say yeah, he's implicated and them killing, we believe, but we need a little bit more proof for now say yo, them dirty corner boy, as the other vlogger would have said, or them dirty 87, no say yo, we get the right man and we get them off the streets, cause there is no way people like those should be living in our society. As a matter of fact, any society. Now, you see, life is a precious gift that was given to us by the Creator, and nobody have the right to take anybody's life. You understand? I feel like if you're out there killing people and doing all sort of stuff, then you have to know that one day, just maybe one day, somebody is gonna kill you back, or the police is gonna kill you back, or something is gonna happen. Because I don't understand the way people think. You know, you're not gonna kill off my family then and then go home and fuck pussy. So life is precious to us and God gave us that, and I don't feel no man should take that from you unless it's in certain circumstances, and that's just the way I feel. You understand? Now once again, big up all of the policemen them who work on this. You understand? Tom, police boy Tom, big up yourself. Now Jason, the more you offer up on this, you know, on the operation, yeah. So, hey, big up yourself. Wanna do the good job, you understand? And keep it up. Only thing I want to do, when it comes to Portmore, I want to go off at the real culprit them. You understand? Remember, when I have to check out Brayton Meadows, make sure to check out Brayton Meadows in the police, cause that's up. Dangles and them crew are mobilized. You understand? I wouldn't be surprised if Dangles don't know about this. Because what you guys don't seem to understand, or I don't know if you guys understand, but I'm gonna tell you. You see, Portmore, it is becoming a hotbed for scammers. You have a couple scammers rolling around in Portmore. You understand? And I'm gonna talk about that in another video. But the scammers them they are Portmore, them are scam, and them are buy gun, and all sort of things going on. So yo, before we go again, good job police, take out the dirty boy them. Last but not least, Jason and Tom, check out Brayton Meadows, cause there's a Dangles and the dirty boy them each up, and I guess so them I run them program from. With that said, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.